Good morning. Because today I'm going to the dog store because I'm going to buy a food for them because we're gonna let them in the house. Because we're going to the province after this one because we're gonna celebrate a holiday there. So that I'm taking this bird so early in the morning like that. Yes. There's a lot of birds. Look at this. It's tough. Tough. See it. I'm walking. I will just walk about 5 minutes going there in the what's this? In the SM Ecoland terminal, like because I'm going to take there a multi-cup, a jeepney one. Yeah, let's see. Tatay dito. Yeah. Oh, diba? Wala lang ano lang. Sure. Area like this. SM Mall because I'm going to ride there. The jeep. Yeah. Maliwanag pa sa light ang ilaw ng sun. Holiday here. Beach. Si Kuya Igo. Hello. This is my baby. Look at the baby. Wait, I'm going to show you my baby. The baby is living there. Close the door. I'm gonna tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna see you say. Tingnan natin ulit. Takpan natin ulit. Buong isa. Let's see.
Memories bring back memories. rough. Lately I've been doing better. I never show that I wanna stay with you. I said it empty, but I'm telling myself you're happier. Ain't nobody hurts you like I hurt you, but ain't nobody needs you like I do. Not too tired, nothing in between. Too hard to see. It's too hard to see. I'm weak. You say I'm hurt, and I am falling short. I believe you said if I took those words away, love for your kids, no more. It's such a pleasant times, but you don't know what happiness means. I was dancing in the dark with strangers, no love around me. When sleep, you're my reality. You're every woman in the world to me.
Para hindi ka mahilo. Sukatin niya daw yung bayan ni Mama mamaya. No, it's not healthy. Takot ko lang dito. Balito, balay ng tuto yun.
Ito.
No, balay ng, yan sa may anos, balay banda.
Nandun ang music yun. Lama pa pala.
Papasok ako dyan, ma'am. Dismiss pa. Likod na yun ng provincial.
Diyan saan nakatira?
Bahay ni ano?
Bahay sa Ripa.
Nanay nila Toto.
Si King na-admit dyan kay
ang buhok niya.
Heartbreak.
Ah,
Si King na-admit kay Heartbreak. Hindi makahinga.
yung mga babae nung gagmay pa sila, di ba papangit sila?
Maputi talaga yun.
Naglamig niya.
Hindi ka makaman Dory dyan.
Sabi daw ni Doktora, siya lang daw bahala. Basta palabas ng Dory. Sabi si Abdul, yung dating supervisor ng Muslim na kaibigan nila. Pinagtanong si Jojo Dira. Nagsunog ba siya? Shake.
Chicken pop. Sab, look at your Sab. Can I borrow your your palda and your t-shirt? Sab. Sab. Sama na oy. Bining sabi. Jo. Bining sabi. Then we're going to get the sweet tambis. Sweet tambis ka dyan. Hello. There's a bunga. Ay, nako. Dalabi yung matabi. Oh. Oh. Yay! We have here like this. Dali jo, kanay ko jo. Ano may atis oh? Tamis. Tamis. Hey. Hindi magkuha doon. This is what I'm done. Yan, mga tayo doon oh, sa taas. Aray. We're gonna eat this one.
Sino yan, Paul?
Marg.
Ano yan?
Kain kami na tambis.
Gusto ko din.
Tambis.
No. Huwag ka gunting. Nan ay mama.
Wala. Walang gunting.
Nan mo doon. Makukunin ba?
Hindi marunong si Aya at si Ape.
Gunting daw. May ulod. Walang gunting din. Hey, nasususok ka.
Kala mo kung marunong mag-alap.
Sabi niya, kuha ka gunting. Parang matanda mag-utos.
Gaya ko sa lulo.
O yung kutsara nyo ginamit, tawag nyo nang ilagay sa lababo.
Saan ikaw?
Alam mo, oy.
Ano?
Anghang. Kaya nga nito, koy, tambis. Biso.
Bakit tangka? Bakit?
Sige.